Here we have a 68 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch alloy wheels. We have the wide arch as well on this vehicle. Front lower nudge bar, we then have the Raptor style front grille, the daytime running headlights. We have the front mounted light bar. Coming around to the driver's side, take a closer look at the 20-inch Riviera alloy wheels just there. We also have side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We then have the roof rails up top, and we do have the rear load bay cover as well just up here. We do have the rear tow bar, front and rear parking sensors on a rear reversing camera. Taking a look at the interior now, if you have a look at the back first, you'll see we do have the half leather seats, foldable armrests and fixed ISO points back here. We also have electric windows on the doors. Same half leather seats for the front with the Wildtrak logo embroidered just there. Both these front seats are heated. The driver's seat is electrically adjustable. We do also have handle just here, again making it easier along with the side step to get into the vehicle. We do have the automatic lights down there. Multifunctional steering wheel. We then have the power folding electric mirrors, automatic wipers. Dashboard in front of us with the two digital screens either side. If you put our foot on the brake, turn the vehicle on, you'll then find we have the volume buttons here on the left, cruise control, speedometer buttons on the right. We do have the main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. It's currently on the main menu, but we do have all the other shortcuts just down here along the bottom. You'll find it the radio stations. You also have the Bluetooth audio and CD player. We've got the climate control just here as well. We do have the physical buttons for the climate control down here, heated seats either side. It's called air conditioning. If you go onto the settings, you'll find further options which you can scroll through, along with having the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Putting the vehicle into reverse, you'll find the reverse camera along with the parking sensors in the top right. Back into park just like so. We then have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings. We also have the manual handbrake, cup holders and a leather armrest in the centre. That's all I'm going to show you today though. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle is available for next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Ford Ranger. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm about to fight the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not being off to the left or to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we do have a multifunction steering wheel here in front of us, which has the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the left, along with the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the right. We also have the two digital screens either side of the dashboard. One of them showing the digital speedometer and the other one is showing the radio stations. We are just at a junction now, so slow down. Got our right indicator on. Make sure it's safe to turn right. Then we're going to continue on our way, getting up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We also have plenty more features throughout the interior. We have the half leather seats, for example, really comfortable, can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the sat nav, but also has plenty more features on there, for example the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we have the buttons for the climate control, which has the called air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. And we are about to take another right hand turn, so we're going to put our right indicator on again, start to slow down now, and then make sure there's no cars coming, turning right onto Gravy Road, and then I'm going to accelerate again, get up to speed nice and smoothly with no issues. You'll also find we do have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings for the gearbox and the drivetrain. We are just approaching the dealership now, so we're going to take it nice and steady, coming around this bend, put our left indicator on as we come up to the dealership, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership. I will perform emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, vehicle into reverse, and you'll find we have the reverse camera appear on the screen into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, so please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all and answer questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.